Bitcoin dramatic fall. Everything is going down. What's going on in the crypto market? You wanna know? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo, Arnedo. Today we have Bitcoin trying to recover, but things looks not very bright. We went all the way down to $65,000. Now we find resistance in $67,000, and that's of course not good. So we have a sum up of what happened in the market. Bitcoin was there just talking with somebody and it failed. And what happened? Well, all the altcoins came to the rescue and it was worse for them than for Bitcoin. This is a regular situation in the market explained. Also, we have, it's been a long time since May, we didn't have a gap in the CNMV futures and we need to fill it for good. It's already filled, but I usually need a little bit more, like we had here the situation with this week where we went so down and then up again. So maybe we need this right now in the short period of time. We'll see today about dollar. If we find resistance in the top of this triangle we talked about in previous videos. Also, we told you in previous videos that we were supposed to go up with Bitcoin here in the 1-day chart we have with TradingView, and we are not. But remember that it might take some time, so we are not doing something like this or something like this, but we are doing something similar to previous situations. And if we go there and we do crazy charts, as I like to share with you, remember to smash the like button if you like those. Well, you can see we have this blue pattern, this orange, or this green one. If we do things like that, from that point when we had the decision on the Fed, we might be in $77,000 by July the 12th, also 78 for July the 19th, or even more than 100K for 25 July if we follow one of these three paths. So again, in once more, we need to be patient out there. Also, I am changing this pattern with the moving average of 25. We still have the dream that we jump. We still can do it. We'll see about that. And today I bring you also interesting information about the drawdowns that we've had in the past after closing above a prior cycle high in the weekly chart. So we had a bad weekly candle, but you can see here in the past we had none whatsoever drawdown after closing prior high. Also here in 2014 and also in 2021, but we had a 33% in 2017. We have had actually already 23%. So you can see that 23% here. Are we good enough now or not? Here you can see 2013 and 2014 almost, where we don't have any of that. That 33% we had in 2017 compared to today's situation. Well, if we are up for comparing this, well, I had this ghost pattern for the candles, and you can see that if we are going to do the same, we might be up for a good time of Bitcoin ahead of us. Also, of course, here telling us everybody's wondering when the party ends, just as it's beginning. And you can see Bitcoin has room for improvement. Also, Nasdaq. When dollar, we believe it can go down. Also, here, Titan of Crypto, he just said this is consolidation before resuming its run for Bitcoin. When majority is already losing it, Bitcoin is just consolidating at key level. Like each and every time it will get caught off guard while arguing how much lower price could go. This time is no different. So do not be caught like this. And do not be caught off and try to buy some more Bitcoin, even though this is not financial advice. We'll see about that. Alessandro Traviani here telling us that he believes Bitcoin will be boring till we strongly break 72K. Till then, follower on our X, our YouTube, listeners to our podcast will remain at the level that includes only Bitcoiners and maybe those who joined recently, but no new joiners till we go to 72 again. Remember, this is always the same cycle once and another. And Crypto Robert telling us that Bitcoin is going to break eventually this pattern, and that will be it for Bitcoin in its way to 100K. Also, with Super Bro in the Bitcoin 3 days, you can see here in this chart that since the bear market bottom, Bitcoin has not broken the middle 20 MA without first piercing the upper Bollinger Bands. And we didn't touch it, so maybe we can be happy about that. We might go up, or maybe as stock modelers are here selling us, we can go up, but first we need to go a little bit down. We'll see about that. Also, Crypto Proof telling us that after Bitcoin, it will be it for altcoins, that we are just retesting before going to new highs. We'll see about that. And why Bitcoin's going down? Well, you can see we had a red week, and it was a long time ago since last time we had a red week for the inflows, outflows on the ETFs in United States. Also, we are still cleaning the market. Gemini now settling with $50 million in New York. Also, Terraform Labs agreeing to pay $4.47 billion to resolve a civil lawsuit filed by the SEC. And in the bad news today, 94% of central banks are exploring CBDCs. That's not good for our interests. But I still remain greedy. 71 for the market today. When we have this video, this is your first week in crypto. Everybody happy with that motorcycle. But then 1 year comes and you have this new car. Everybody is happy. What happens after 3 years in crypto? You don't have not even your motorcycle. You now have a bicycle, and your family throws you a lot of stuff because you are a loser. But eventually we will be winners again. Maybe because Tether is printing money, and that's bullish for Bitcoin, of course. Some bubbles in the green, most of them in the red, when SEC is shooting down Ripple's argument for a lower penalty. It seems that Ripple wants 10 millions for a setup, and the SEC wants 2 billion. So 10 million versus 2 billion. What do you think is gonna happen? And remember that if you wanna know everything about meme coins, what's going on in the market, you need dextools.io. Today, with a crazy piece of information, they just created a platform so that you can create your own token in just 2 minutes. Safe, easy, and fast. So if you have a project out there and you need one of these, you can create it. Also, if you are a degen and you want to speculate with your token, you can do that. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description below to this blog and also to the platform. It seems quite straightforward, quite easy to do. I'm gonna also learn about it and tell you more. Again, you have a step-by-step guide in the link in the description below. So maybe you can create your own token. Should we create our own token here on Fun on the Right? What do you think about that? Remember, we told you about these celeb meme coins right now, the ones from Tate, also Izzy Azalea, and Bella Danger. Here you have Daddy going down, now recovering a little bit. When Mother is up, now it's better for the mothers than for the daddies. And what about Bella Danger? Well, it went down, but then it went up again and down and up. So crazy stuff for celeb coins, of course. And I'm happy also that GameStop is going to be using advertisement on the platform dextools.io, and also that Roaring Kitty purchased 4 million more shares of GameStop, bringing his total position to 262 million. So I'm not as concerned as I am with my position. Remember, I went to coinex.com and bought some because I thought it was going to go up, but I didn't. So do not do as myself. But of course, if you want to buy some crypto, you have CoinX, link in the description below. It's a very simple exchange. That's why I'm using it. And you can see here that I lost this support in the chart, and this is not good for my interest. So maybe I have to go to CoinX and buy a different one. Remember also that they have now this trading peer-to-peer, where you can buy and sell crypto without intermediaries. So nice. Go to our partners CoinX, link in the description below. Do not buy GEME, or do. Maybe now is a good entry point. Who knows? Any case, if you have losses like myself, you need to use coin tracking to do your tax report. I already have my tax obligations for this year, and I'm happy that I'm paying, but not that much. So, well, I'm quite happy right now and resting. As I told you in my last short, go there and watch it. Coin tracking, link in the description below, and you have a 10% discount. You are just running out of time. Do it today, or maybe you are not going to have enough time. And maybe today also, with the link in the description below, you want to pre-book a Trezor Safe 5, the new device from our friends in Trezor. I will tell you everything about that, of course, in a tutorial, but today we have time for our promotion. We are giving away a Trezor Safe 3 if you buy any product of Trezor and you fill the form that you have in the description below. Today we were like 17 people participating, and the winner, according to ChatGPT, is number 7. That means Julian with this number is the winner. Remember, I will give all the prizes in the end of the campaign. So thank you very much for being patient. To the winners, we'll have it eventually. Ethereum broke all supports, but had them back so quickly. So maybe good for Ethereum. We'll see if we retest again there. And watch out for ADA Cardano, because we are in a very interesting point according to Magic Book Canon on the weekly chart. Cardano is testing uptrend support, which is covering with the lateral support resistance level around 0.4. Remember how Cardano is always in 0.45. And also, we validated a new block, and thank you to the new riders that came with us with this amount of ADA. Thank you very much. Come with us and validate. It's called Fanon. You can have fun with us and also validate some blocks with us. But for now, let's just chill. Let's just rest happy like this cat is doing. Also, just sleeping like this one, because we are now safe with our Trezor, and we have our tax report with coin tracking, and we are happy that Bitcoin, we believe it might eventually go up. If you want to keep on learning, just refresh AI news all the time, because today we are going to have at some point a new video. It's already there, maybe just minutes away. So go there and watch it. And of course, if you want more about crypto, watch one of the previous videos if you haven't already. Here on Crypto News with Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!